everybody, today we're going to be doing 9.2. Our learning target is I can show quotients as fractions and mixed numbers. We are going to be working through the following problem. Max has 5 clementines. He shares them equally with his friend Bob. How many clementines will each friend share? So if you don't remember know what clementines are, they are a type of small orange. So they look like a very tiny little orange. So I want you guys to think about what the problem is asking us to do first. So the problem is asking us to figure out how many clementines each friend shares. So there's 2 friends, Max and Bob, and they have 5 clementines. So we are going to figure out what 5 divided by 2 is as a mixed number. So that is what we're going to figure out. 5 represents the number of clementines they have. 2 represents the number of friends that they are sharing the clementines with. So I'm going to draw out my 5 clementines. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and I'm going to divide them equally among 2 friends. So let's think about Max's clementine first. So Max gets a clementine. So I'm going to represent this clementine with an M that represents Max. Max gets this clementine. Okay. Then, let's see here. We're going to give Bob a clementine. Bob a clementine. So they each get 2 whole clementines. Max gets 2, Bob gets 2. Then we have this 1 clementine that's left. So I'm going to divide it in half, and I'm going to give Max 1 piece, and I'm going to give Bob 1 piece. Okay. So each friend gets 2 clementines plus 1/2 of the clementines. So if you think about it, we're thinking about how many clementines in all they get. So if we have Max has 2.5 and Bob has 2.5. So that means, 5 divided by 2 equals 5 over 2, which we cannot leave it as an improper fraction, so we have to turn 5 over 2 into a mixed number. So to do that, remember, you ask yourself, how many times does 2 go into 5? 2 goes into 5 2 times with 1 left over, and I put it over my denominator. So our answer is 2.5. So our picture that we drew to help us figure out what 5 divided by 2 is equals the same thing as the equation that we just solved. I hope this is helpful. Please let me know if you run into any kind of problem trying to turn our equations or trying to turn our fractions into mixed numbers. But I hope this was helpful for you. Have a great day.